want to do some turtle art with you today. We're going to start it up. There's the turtle art thing. I'm going to start new. And what we're going to do in turtle art is talk to a turtle. And the turtle can go forward and right, can go back and left. And when it walks around the screen, it can mark up the screen with its pen. So when it opens up, see there's some blocks that we can drag out. Forward 100, I'm going to drag out. Click on it. And the turtle goes forward 100 steps. It's 100 turtle steps. Let's click again. It goes forward another 100. So now let's drag out a back button. Sometimes I call the blocks back. Back block. Okay, and let's see. Oops, it goes back. So, in fact, I could put those two together, and I could come, and one of my favorite, absolutely favorite things to do is pull out clean, click on it, and the screen, all the stuff that the turtle did on the screen gets erased. And the turtle gets put back into the center. So there it goes. Well, that's kind of nice, but I'd like to make another one. What do? What I do is turn the turtle. So now I'm going to go and find, let's do a left turn. I'm going to drag it out. And now let's connect that and see what happens. So now I'm going to click on all of these. This is a stack. I'm going to click on the stack of blocks. Oh, okay. Click again, and again, and again. Okay, so that's okay. But now what if I wanted to do something special? Like get the turtle to draw a square. What would I do? Well, one thing I know, I'm going to separate these blocks. I'm going to separate the blocks by pulling down from the block. Actually, we don't need these, so I'm going to just throw them away. And I'm going to clean the screen. So what do we want the turtle to do? We want it to go forward. And now we want it to turn left or right. And so I'm going to go and get a left or right. Today, now I'm going to use a right block. And so I'm going to pull out the right block and click on it. Okay, it turned the turtle right. And now I want the turtle what to do to make a square. Well, if you were a turtle, what would you have to do? You could walk in a square and see. Let's just try forward. Okay, forward 100, right 90, forward 100, right 90, forward 100, right 90. Well, that's great. Now, how did we do that? What did we have to do? How can we make a stack that will just do a square? Well, first thing to do is connect these two guys. So we connected them. And now let's clean the screen again. Now, how many forward steps did the turtle make? Well, we'll try again. This time we will really count. Forward 100, right 90, that's 1. Forward 100, right 90, that's 2. Forward 100, right 90, that's 3. Forward 100, right 90, that's 4. Okay, so look, isn't that interesting? There are 4 sides to a square. All of them are the same. Now, what we want to do is go to another collection of blocks, the flow blocks, and pick out repeat. We're going to drag that out. And repeat already says repeat 4. So let's clean the screen and try repeat 4. Okay, so that worked. So now we've got a square procedure. Well, that's fun. Let's go back to the turtle blocks. So we click on this turtle guy and we get back here to these blocks. And let's pull out the arc. And click on it. So look what happened. It said the arc has takes 2 inputs. The first one is the angle, which is 90 degrees, just like right 90. And the second one is the radius. That's the half the width of the circle. And so there it is. It fits nicely in our square. So let's run that again. Let's put that there and run it again. Ooh, okay, that's a half circle. 3/4 of a circle. A whole circle. Oh, so we could make a circle the same way we made a square. Go back to the flow operators, pull out repeat, stick that on top. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to clear the screen. And then run this stack that makes a circle. Whoa! And I'm going to run the stack that makes a square. Well, the square stops being as interesting. Let's turn the turtle. Oh, I know. Before we do that, let's teach the turtle to call this stack circle. So the way we do that is we go over here to variable blocks, and we're going to pull out the action block and say, type in the word, let's call it circle. And now we can clean the screen. Oops. Look up here. See here? There's a block that was made called circle. So we clean the screen. And now we can say, and a square, a circle appears. Well, we're going to use these 2 things and do things with them. But why don't you just try yourself for a moment and